Have you heard the latest FILMARK MEGAVTV? Best Nollywood Movies. Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK MEGAVTV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK MEGAVTV. Hello.
Yeah, no. Let me just tell you this. This uncle's talk is too official. It takes you too high there. Bring it down. Think of any name you're going to call me that is romantic, that can touch the heart. You go ahead. That's the essence.
Okay, I've heard. No problem.
Okay. So what is it? What is the problem?
I came to tell you that the food stuff you bought is almost finished.
Food stuff finished? Well, we have plenty things in that room she locked. All the goodies brought from my in-law, he locked them in that room. Huh?
She locked them.
And all the food stuff brought by my in-law, she locked everything in that room. Where can we get hammer now? Where can we get hammer? Let's look for hammer. I break that door. What does she mean? Why should we stop here when we have plenty locked up somewhere?
What an act of wickedness. What extent can people be helpless? Eh? Look at it. Look at everything here. Eh? Don't stop in this house. Eh? Look at it. Take away everything. We can't stop in my own house. My own house. Eh? Wickedness abounds everywhere. Go on. Everywhere. Eh? They will be controlled. You can have it. So my wife can be this heartless? Huh? Check everywhere. Rubbish. Good. Come and prepare something for me. I can be hungry in my house. Which one do you prepare here? Pika. Huh? Go and prepare whatever you want here. I'm hungry. You are hungry. Go ahead. I give you all the license. But you didn't say that. Eh?
No my gano, Veronica gano kwa. Love your man, Nabata Veronica. Child, we love your chagi, Nabata Veronica. Go believe, Rapia, go believe. If I am Masilimo, go believe, Rapia, go believe. If I am Masilimo.
I'm happy. I'm happy. At least my friend Mazu Dekwe has found happiness again. Huh? His wife, Norma, is too insensitive to leave a full-grown man in the house with a house help, Veronica. A mature girl for that matter. Don't worry. I guess when she come back, she might meet Veronica with heavy pregnancy or even put to bed. Huh? It serves her right. Yeah, it serves her right. It serves her right. Well, let me go and rest so that I can go and continue with my Okada walk.
No man, you left me all alone and went for move on. You have refused to come back.
This is bad though. I have always known that men will always be men. But on this one, Norma, my friend, didn't play her part very well as a mother and a wife. What on earth is she still doing in the city for her daughter's Onyinyechuku? Should I be the bearer of bad news? But let me verify this. I'll verify it first. Yes, I'll verify it.
She gives me comfort, she feeds me. Anything I want, she does for me. Now I feel like a young boy. Thanks to Veronica. Veronica has saved me. Veronica has done me well. Oh. In fact, I can't let go of Veronica. In fact, Veronica will be mine.
Mama.
Junior is asleep already.
Yes, but I will soon go back to be with him.
Okay.
My in-law. No. I came to tell you that I'll be traveling by this month's end.
Oh, really, Mama? Okay, you know what, Mama? I am going to make every necessary arrangement to make sure that you return home happily.
Yes.
Like everything you need, I will provide it.
Yes.
Okay?
No problem, no problem.
I also want to thank you. I want to thank you for your time. It's not easy to leave everything you have to do in the village and stay here with us to take care of our baby.
Yes.
We really appreciate that.
We do, Mama. Thank you so much.
May my God bless you. In-law de kage. Ogo maebo. Igabia no wa. You a good man. My God will reward you. Oh, maybe go now for ma. Oh, let me go and stay with the baby.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. God, I thank you. Darling, at least I will now have peace with my father's endless calls.
Yeah, you see, I told you to calm down. Calm down and let her take the decision by herself. Don't you think it's better now?
Yes, whatever. All I know is that she is now going in peace.
Go.
Because said to lawyer, because Mama is so hard. Hey.
Yeah. That's me. That's me.
Hi! Ewo.
Why is you?
You enjoy yourself.
Uncle, why is you? Hi.
Hold on. Who is that? That's really funny. Baby.
Yeah.
Feels good having you in my arms again, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I miss us.
Miss us.
So how is your friend, Mr. Richard?
Oh, yeah. You know, both of us, we're not really in the same department, though we work in the same company. We normally see each other when I'm less busy or when he's less busy, you know, something like that. But he's good, he's fine.
Okay. How about his mother-in-law? She's still there.
Ah, baby, you're not gonna believe this. She's still there.
What?
I know, right?
Why? What's she doing there? Is that her? That's not a house.
Trust me, I've asked myself the same question over and over again. But you know, this is family matter and you don't want to get involved in family matters.
That's true, my husband. But then, that's totally unacceptable by me. I mean, the couples need a level of privacy at some point.
Yeah.
Now, for instance, he can't kiss the wife where the mother-in-law is there.
You're right.
Do you understand? Like, people will target disrespectful, but these people have been bonded both legally and traditionally. Just say, for instance, your mother is sitting there and I'm here, like this.
Hold on. If my mother were to be there, you mean like I can't do something like this?
Stop! No, it's wrong. It doesn't make sense.
Baby, you know I love you, right?
I love you too.
Have I told you how much I've missed you?
You miss me? I miss you too.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
God, hold on. I'm married to a crazy woman.
No, I'm not crazy.
I'm crazy. Well, you know what? I'm crazier about you.
You're crazy.
Come here. Come
here. Veronica?
Yes.
What is holding you? What is holding you? Girl. My darling. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey. Come now, come. Hey. How does one eat this one? Eh?
Yes. Fork.
Fork is used.
Yes.
Is that so? How?
Sure.
Look at it. Hey. One more. Okay, you turn it round and round and round. You see, the more reason I said you should be close to me all the time to put me through all this. When you come and see, what are you doing inside?
Nothing.
Come and sit by my side. Eh? I think the food will be sweeter when you sit by my side. You just tell me how the thing tastes. Yeah. No, once your face is smiling, it tells me, hey, you can cook in species. Keep it up.
Veronica Gano kwa hey we love your man nabata Veronica we love your shaggy nabata Veronica go bili Veronica Rapaya go bili no my say ya masilamo go bili Rapaya go bili say ya masilamo has come to stay. No man accept it, yo. Vero has come to stay. Vero, okay, baby. Where baby? No, my gano. Veronica gano kwa. No, we love your man. Nabata Veronica. Veronica, we love your shaggy. Nabata Veronica. Go believe. Go believe, I love that. Go believe, go believe, if they are Maselimo. Okay, Gaby, where Gaby, no, my Gano, Veronica Gano, we love you, Nabata Veronica, we love you, Nabata Veronica.
Auntie, baby. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Do you have vegetables? Auntie, I have some vegetables. Fresh one. So how much one do you want? Auntie, I say, how much on do you want?
Veronica, are you pregnant? Veronica, dime. Hey! Nakwa no nwa.
night. Good morning, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
We're fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, where are you going?
My mother sent me on an errand, so I asked Ebere here to accompany me to the market.
Okay. What of your father, Chizaba?
He's fine, sir.
Tell him I'll be there in the evening to present him with some wine.
Yes, no.
Oh?
Yes, no.
Bueno. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Chizoba, is Mazudekwe's wife not back from the said what?
You act as if you're not in this village.
What are you
saying? So you don't know that she's not yet back. And rumor has it that the house help, Veronica, is pregnant. And Mazudekwe is responsible for her pregnancy.
Mazudekwe? Yes. Hey! How did it happen? When?
Which one will I answer?
Answer anyone now.
Well, if I should answer how, it's because the woman more or less abandoned him here in this community all to himself. My mother used to advise me, if I get married someday, I should never leave my husband alone for a long while.
Mazudekwe metaronka. Meta dia cha. The wife will feel very betrayed though.
A lesson not just to her, but also to the women in this community at large. My friend, let's go so that we'll quickly come back. Let's go now, Ebere. Let's go.
Sorry now.
Yeah, come on, right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I look at gifts?
Sir, Mr. Edward is at the reception. He wished to see you. Okay.
My brother.
Hey, bro. What's up, man?
I am fine. So how is work?
I'm tired. I'm really stressed, honestly.
It's written all over you, bro.
So, how is your wife? Did you succeed in stopping her from the bank job like you told me?
My brother, I must confess, it's not been easy.
I know.
It's not been easy. You know women. But, we're still talking about it. We're still on it.
It's okay. Let's take it easy. One step at a time, you know?
You're right, Joe. That reminds me, your mother-in-law, has she finally given you the date she'll be leaving?
Yes, sir.
She has?
Oh, yeah. Last night. She walked up to me and told me she will be leaving.
This is good news.
Yeah.
Richard, at least now, you'll be sure of how many women you're married to.
I don't get it.
Let me explain to you. Don't you know that when you were living with two women in the house, you are more or less married to them? That means when one is angry, you'd have to be very meticulous in dealing with it. If not, you will affect the other.
You don't know what I've been through all this while, right? Me. But I had to apply diplomacy, right, to make sure things don't go wrong. You know, when tempers want to go high, you have a way to calm them down.
You're the man. You're the man.
Honestly, it's not been easy. Trust me.
I don't know what is keeping Norma in the city up till now. Anyway, before she hears it from another person, it will be good I tell her first as her close family friend here in this village.
Somebody is calling. Hello?
Hello, Norma.
Party name? Kedi?
How is your daughter and the baby?
The baby can have walk at the tiger. He's doing great. My daughter is fine. She's recovering from childbirth. So how is home?
I'm fine, no. My friend, when last did you hear from your husband?
Man, that one that is going around complaining, reporting me to everyone that cares to listen, that I abandoned him in the village. Maybe I can make way and ask him.
My dear, I don't think so. There is this rumor that is going around this village that your husband Mazu Dekwe impregnated your house help, Veronica.
Is it? What?
My sister, that's the news.
Hey! Hey!
I said, let me tell you. So, bye-bye, God, go do. Oh?
Hey! Ewo! Ewo! Hey! Ewo alebenumo! Alebenumo! Alebenumo can see. Hey! Ewo! Hey! Oh yeah, to one more. Oh yeah, to one more. Hey!
Mama, why are you screaming?
Onyechi, your father is a disgrace. He is so shameless. Do you know he impregnated Veronica, our maid? Common house help.
Let's go to my place.
Hey.
Have you heard the latest FILMARK MEGAVTV? Best Nollywood Movies. Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK MEGAVTV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK MEGAVTV. Heaven.